Hello my friends, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's unboxing video, we're checking out this Automotive test light. So this is for circuits. Let's go over a couple things that you can do with it. You got a voltage measure, positive and negative detection, frequency prediction, jump function, short circuit detection, detect the internal signals of a computer. So let's go ahead, open this up, show you guys what you're getting and what you can expect. Looks like little manual, little screwdriver in here as well. And this is it. That's simple. So let's go and pull this out here. They give you two options, it looks like. You got an alligator clamp, and you also have detection as well. And it's just a simple device. That's it, you know, that's all it operates as. Let's go ahead here. Okay, so no, it's not a screwdriver in there. I thought it was, it kind of felt like one. No, this is actually for testing. So thread this top piece off here, line this up, apply a little pressure once you twist it and line it up, and then you put the cap back on, just like this, and thread this back in place, just like that. So guys, when you're doing this kind of stuff, make sure you refer to your manual, because anything electrical, there's always the possibility of getting shocked. For example, when you have this clamped on something, don't touch the actual clamp. Keep your hands on the rubber at all times. The same with the pin, you know, positive, negative. Just be safe. Just be very safe, guys. So this is what it looks like up close. So stay tuned for a future updated video as we test it. Right now, we're not working on any projects that we're gonna need to test it, but this is what you get. And it will read the display here. You can change the mode with here. Indicator light up top here. So again, this is the type of item you need to read your manual from start to finish, front to back.